Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Gabby and in today's video we're going to be making letter necklaces and bracelets. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I actually got a couple of parcels to unpack, so let's do it together. So the first one, let's see whether I can rip it nicely or not. Ooh. Was almost there. Alrighty, very big packaging for what's inside actually. So I got some light blue polymer clay, and that's for, what is happening outside? The cars always hit like a bump next to our house. So anyways, got a little bit of polymer clay, light blue one, for like some snowflake earrings, since the winter is coming and Christmas is soon, so that's why I got that. And going with the going with the Christmas theme, I'm trying not to shake this. Well, that was very bad. That was very, very bad. Let's see whether I can just... Nope. Just literally peeled off on both sides. I'll probably need scissors or something. Or just keep going and ruining it. Got it after 4 rips. Well, I guess 6 rips. So I got some polymer clay cutters and Christmas themed. If I can put this down. That's really cute actually. Like a little Christmas, they're all shaking, but a little Christmas car with like, well, I guess just a car with like presents on top. So that's really cute. And they look like the ones that I've ordered, so that's always good, because Amazon has sent me some mislabeled things in the past, which I had to then send back. But this one seems to be the right thing, thank God, because they are adorable. I just realized it has like a... Which way is it going? The wrong way. It has a little Grinch. I love it. I love Grinch. I don't know whether you guys love it, but I love Grinch. Yeah, got like a little Christmas trees and stuff. Very Christmassy. And the last thing is not Christmas related really. Well, partially, but it's a bit heavy. That one was perfect, almost. It kind of like failed at the end, but I'll do it. So first thing is why it's heavy, is because I got some white polymer clay. And we are running out of our white polymer clay, and I thought it would be good to stock up, because to me Christmas is all about red, white, well, blue, light blue colors, and green. So it would be nice to have some polymer clay, white one, because we are... Oh, I don't know where I put my polymer clay, but the white one comes in handy. The reason why I don't know where I put my polymer clay is because, you know, these shelves, I've built them and I want to reorganize it, so I took everything out of these shelves. So now everything is just behind the camera everywhere. So that's coming in the next video, because I want to organize everything and like dedicate a drawer in this for polymer clay. So yep, white polymer clay, and a very irrelevant story to go with it. And then I've got some of these things, so that's very crinkly. So I got precision knives for like a detailed work with polymer clay, because I've been using the big blade. I think I have it somewhere in some box, but I've been using like a blade and it's not very accurate. So I got like a smaller blade, so it's easier for me to cut up stuff. And I think it comes with like refills, like other blades and a ruler, because I really like the colors, so I got that. I like the silver and blue. I'm a blue kind of gal, if you can't tell, and black. So I love these colors, so I got that. It is so windy outside. If you heard that, it's because it's so damn windy outside that the stuff from the tree next to our house is just flying into the windows. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and I'm gonna let you watch the video. As always, first things first, we're going to roll out the clay, and then I use 2 different cutter sizes to cut out these little circles for 2 different sizes of the necklace and the bracelet. So next I'm going to use these little letters and I'm going to push it down and leave the imprint of the letter, and I picked a couple of letters and I'm going to do that to all the circles. I actually patted some of these down to give it nice and smooth surface for the letters, and then I baked them in the oven at 110 degrees for 30 minutes. So now I'm just going to add a gold colored ink into the letter imprints to give it a bit more color and to make the letters stand out, and I'm going to do that to all of them. So after the ink dries, I'm going to use UV resin to seal in the design. And I'm going to use a lighter to pop any bubbles on the surface of the resin to make it nice and smooth, and then I'm going to cure it using UV light. I'm then going to drill the holes to attach the jump rings and the little screw pin, and this part usually takes a while because I use a hand drill. So the last bit that's left to do is to assemble both the necklace and the bracelet. So I'm just using Gorilla Super Glue to glue the screw pin in place. So this is what the finished product looks like. So this is what the necklace looks like on. You can see the little initial, it's S. Obviously it's not my initial, but it's my mum, so my mum's name starts with S. So that's why I made this. And I also like the bead detailing on the actual chain. And I like this length for necklaces. I don't know about you guys, whether you like shorter or longer necklaces, but that's my preferred length. So anyways, I think it's really cute. Let me know what you think. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you next week. Bye bye.